Right, hello everyone. So we are doing question 2 now. So let's read the question. Many parts of the bicycle contains iron. One problem is that iron rusts. So this question is about rusting, I guess. Right, so the diagram shows how the cycle changes when it happens that iron rusts. Okay, so oxidation states. So that means this question we will not be doing for this WA. This is the next chapter. So let's take a look at the next one. The diagram shows the rust prevention methods on different parts of the bicycle. So let's look. There's oil on the chain, there's an alloy, there's paint, and there's plastic coating. So the first question, what is meant by the term alloy? So this is a definition question. So we just need to say that alloy is a mixture. So firstly, I need to see the word mixture of a metal, right, with another element. So what we need to see, firstly, mixture of a metal and another element. It cannot be another metal. Okay? Now, explain how the oil, paint, and plastic coating slows down rusting. So we all know that oil, paint, and plastic coating, they are all physical protection. So there are several keywords that we need to say. So we say since, right? Since is like explain. So since oil, paint, and plastic coating acts as a, this is the magic word, physical barrier. As a physical barrier. And then we need to talk, this is not enough. And as this prevents iron contact with the two most important things, okay? So I will always prefer saying water and oxygen instead of water and air, all right? So water and oxygen is better. So water and oxygen, therefore it will slow down rusting. Okay, so over here the keywords that you need to have, physical barrier, contact with water and oxygen. Okay, next. The shop sells a spray-on rust treatment. The spray stops iron from rusting even if the paint is being scratched. Right? So usually we know that physical barrier, right? When we scratch it, it will rust. Right? However, in this case, it stops it even becoming scratched. So now these particles contain zinc. Right? And then we know from our reactivity series, right, that zinc is actually more reactive than iron. So explain how zinc prevents rust from forming. So this is the preferential corrosion thing. So how do we write this explanation? So since it explained, so we start with since. Since zinc is more reactive than iron, right? So NS, zinc reacts preferentially, or you can use the word corrode preferentially when exposed to oxygen and water. Therefore, zinc prevents rust from forming. Okay, so this one, keywords again, remember, cannot use sacrificial protection if you're not going to explain, so don't use it. So we must say that it's more reactive, and then after that, corrodes or reacts preferentially when exposed to oxygen and water. Right, so that's question 2, and please watch the next video for question number 3. Bye-bye.